How to open the HSBC bank account online in the UK. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can open the HSBC online account very easily. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing is you may just open up your laptop or your mobile device. After that, open up your browser onto your device. After opening up your device, just search for HSBC. After that, click on the very first link that appears on your screen right now. The very first link that says us.hsbc.com. Simply click on that link and you'll be redirected to another page where you can easily see here a bunch of options. So what you're going to do is click on this log on option at the top right. Very easily you can see this. You may just log on into that. After that, you can see this QR code. So what you're going to do is you may just download it or continue on log on with the browser. You may also download it, which is easily available on any of the app store on your device. After the download is complete, you'll be able to see a home page where you need to log in using your user ID and password of your bank account. You just need to provide your login credentials provided by your bank account and just enter your username and your password and tap on continue, and you should be directly logged in into your account. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to create your account or log in into your HSBC online account very easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.